Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to discover wireless devices, add them to your project, and manage their properties. The Ligth360 app uses your smartphone or tablet's Bluetooth radio to search for nearby wireless devices. Keep in mind that you need to be as close as possible to these devices and move around the system area to join to all of them. In the Devices section, start the wireless network scanning by clicking the relevant button. This opened the Free Devices window, where the list of found devices will be updated. The scan can be terminated manually, again by clicking the relevant button, or automatically after a certain amount of time has passed since the last device was detected. Each device has a dedicated card that shows several information. On the left, there is an icon that indicates the device function, such for a luminaire, a sensor, or a keypad. The badge over the icon will be green if the device is reachable via Bluetooth, otherwise grey. Next, there is the name of the device, which by default match to the last 4 digits of the serial number. Below, there are the product model and zone it belongs. On the right, there is the wireless signal strength icon and the 3 dots to recall the options menu. By clicking on it, you can recall the identify command, which causes the status LED on the device or the entire lighting fixture to flash. This allows you to see in the field which device you want to join to the project. Alternatively, you can proceed by considering only the serial number, if the installer noted it during installation. Clicking the Join command will add the device to the project. This will take a few seconds, during which a pop-up message will appear informing you of the progress. Once all the desired nodes are joined, the Free Devices window can be closed and the current window will show only the devices associated with the project, which can communicate over a standard Zigbee 3.0 wireless network. In this window, the item menu have the following options. Properties displays information about the device, where you can also change its name or update the firmware. This section will also contain various options related to the device's hardware and firmware features. You can learn details about all these options in the upcoming videos, that covering each device type. For example, the Properties menu item of devices with an addressable DALI interface, such as wireless DALI controllers and sensors, will also have the DALI management command. Dimming opens the graphical interface for manually settings of the level, temperature, and color of the luminaires connected to the device. If you're using the Ligth360 demo box, you'll only be able to use the temperature and color control panel after assigning DALI addresses to all the luminaires connected to the pad and sensor. Delete will remove the device from the project, which can be viewed again in the Free Devices window. The star icon in the options menu is used to select the preferred action that will be recalled when the device card is clicked. Before proceeding with project configuration, it's important to check and, if necessary, update the firmware of each device. This can be done by selecting Properties and then Firmware version. If a newer firmware version is available, you can proceed with the update using the relevant command. Our pop-up menu will show the status of the update, which may take a few seconds. Thank you for watching.